Good morning.
What up?
So we are just leaving our hotel in the southern part of Jeju, and then we're gonna go see some different things along the southern coast today before we work our way up to kind of northwestern parts.
Yeah. But the first step is to get out of the car park.
Yeah, gotta get out of the car park, and then
It's not too bad.
Then the rain, so we shall see how that goes.
Yeah, but it'll be fine. Yeah, it's genuinely not too bad.
So the car park entrance and exit are the same. So you just kind of have to hope that there's no one.
Although this is car parking as well.
Yeah, this weird little
that's
elevator lift thing that we avoided. Alright, and hope there's no one coming.
Yeah, we're good.
Hey.
What's this temple called? Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of the nicest temples I think I've actually seen.
So what do you think?
It's honestly one of the most beautiful temples I've ever seen.
It's ridiculous. It's very nice, very relaxing, but like there's so much detail.
Yes, stunning.
Definitely come here.
Yeah.
Like 100% come here.
It had the monk chanting in it as well, which was very meditative.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's 500 of these guys. Hey.
Hi.
So where are we?
We are at Jinson's Dowley Cliff?
Something like
I
that.
don't know. But it's like hexagonal cliffs that look as if someone's carved them, that have actually been made from lava balls now.
Cool.
Yeah,
Ah.
from one of the old lava flows.
It's very,
It is
very.
skirting the edge of just about to chuck it down, and
Well,
it is very stormy. The waves
Yeah,
are
so
massive.
they may not let us through some bits because the
Yeah,
waves are
there's-
huge.
Stairs here, which would usually obviously go down to the cliff, so
But
it's
yeah,
blocked off.
we'll
It's
have a look.
Not dangerous today.
So as we were saying, this is closed off.
Oh yeah, this is where you'd usually get quite close to it.
Yeah. But
You can see the waves crashing over there.
yeah, the waves are pretty big today.
There is to a
But yeah, so there's a hurricane or a typhoon. Jeez Louise.
wow. Oh, yeah, you can see the straight from here. Whoa!
What you won't be able to do is feel it. Every time the wave hits, you can actually feel it.
Hear it.
Yeah, that's mad. Watch. Wait, no, that's not it. mean, it looks great. It looks really good. No one does posing like the Koreans.
No.
It's tea.
It's like a tea room.
Alex bought some tea, so we'll try that later. But we didn't treat ourselves to any other type of tea. So yeah.
It's all quite expensive, and we could get some tea bags and try it back at Aldi.
Yes.
18,000
Go back to you. Tea fields. Question is, babe, how strong is your Instagram game?
Not really.
The Instagram game is strong, but not for us.
We got those dishes.
I didn't say stop. Yes, apparently.
Maybe that cafe that like.
Okay. This is our Blue Hawaii Resort room. We got twin double beds, which we're not against. General normal shower room. And a view of the mountains. And on the other side, you can just about see is the ocean. Yeah, not bad little room. We might be stuck in here tomorrow because of the weather, but we shall see.
Yeah, we can put the bag up here if not. We have come to d.n.a Beach. Didn't think we'd be at a beach today, but it's actually quite nice and flat here, so we're making the most of it for the typhoon tomorrow. The water's quite calm. Might be quite cold though. Oh. Is it? Oh, it's chilly! It's blue though. Oh! Oh! Not sure how long we're gonna be in here, but it's pretty. It's just very, very long.
What are we going to do to get home?
It's called the driving back. Thought I'd probably chucking it down, so we got out.